Ladies and gentlemen, our takeover of General Motors is complete.
Dr. Abel, GM's Ultium platform will power our whole operation.
Now we can reduce tailpipe emissions.
Oh, please, cheer.
For my son.
Your son? I shall name him Baby Me.
No, his name is Kyle.
You must help save the world first.
Then you can take over that world.
Hold on, I've got it. I will help save the world first, then take over the world.
She literally just said that.
Scott, you just don't get it, do you?
What?
You don't get it.
Oh, we're right back
and
here.
You're never gonna
You
get it.
can't draw me
How
into
about
these
you
little...
don't
You
get
act like a child. You can't push my buttons anymore.
We'll reduce our carbon footprint.
Okay, let's go. We're going all electric.
Everybody in!
Not you, Scott. Bye-bye, Baby Me.